Let's record. So, good evening, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. If you're watching the recording, this is Crypto Celine, London Crypto Network's Lockdown Sunday Newsflash. I do this newsflash every Sunday, just to keep people up to date and abreast with what is going on in the crypto market and what is going on. And so if you are watching the recording, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, London Crypto Network. We're on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and share this video. And then you can be here next Sunday at 4 p.m. For the latest news. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. So it's been such an eventful week in the crypto market. I mean, so much has been happening. We just cannot keep up with the news. And I just cannot believe there are still people in our community that don't believe that Bitcoin is real, okay, or cryptocurrency is real. And they're very challenged by this. So this is what Lockdown Sunday is all about. It's designed to clear up the confusion and make sure that everyone is up to date. Now, some people may be hearing about NFTs. What are NFTs? They stand for NFT, stands for non-fungible token. And it's basically what people are using to buy and sell, you know, pieces of collectible items or artwork or music is even coming onto the scene. And so Taco Bell, the huge American multinational food company, they are entering into the crypto art craze by selling food-themed NFTs. Food-themed NFTs to digital foodies. So they released a collection of original taco-themed art pieces, and it's live. It's on. They put on there their spicy potato soft taco that is available for purchase as a collectible item. And as you can see, as soon as they put it on there, it's sold out. So non-fungible tokens are the biggest craze right now within the cryptocurrency market. If you don't know, if you're new to cryptocurrency, then you will learn about this during your journey. You can find out more. There's a lot of information out there. And so here's why the explosive NFT crypto craze is heading. According to the analyst, Kenn Bosak, he's really excited about the prospect of NFTs. It's decentralizing ownership of many asset classes, including music. So musicians are now, you know, putting their music on the blockchain, and people as a non-fungible token, as an NFT, and people are buying it for cryptocurrency from them. So you can imagine it's a huge industry right now. And if you need any more convincing, Coinbase have secured a $90 billion valuation. So they have gone for listing on the stock market, on the New York Stock Exchange, and they've been valued, and it's all gone through. According to Bloomberg, the shares, the private sale shares were going for $350 a share. That's huge. Prices actually reached a peak of $375 per share. And so if it had closed at that amount, it would have secured a $100 billion valuation. I mean, it's huge. And this is just one of many companies that are going public. Now, you also have PayPal. As we know, PayPal started to offer its customers Bitcoin, the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin on their platform in the US. And they have expanded on their cryptocurrency agenda, and they have acquired company to acquire Curve. Curve is a company that is a leader of cloud-based infrastructure for digital asset securities based in Israel, Tel Aviv. And PayPal have announced its commitment to help shape the role that digital currencies will play in the future of financial services and commerce. Okay, so all of those doubters out there, please take a look at the news. This is what's happening. You have to know that you need cryptocurrency. It's no longer a case of a luxury. You need it. Give me 1 second. Let me just have to plug in my charger before everything goes off. Excellent. So I'm back. Now, the big player, there's a new big player in Bitcoin. Another one, guys. It's as if we had a shortage of whales or big players. This big player is a Norwegian energy giant. Okay, they supply energy, electricity, renewable energy to their customers in Norway, and they are called Aker. And they say the new venture that they have embarked on with CT has initially a capital of $58 million. Okay, and CT's main priorities will involve owning cryptocurrency, all you people out there selling your cryptocurrency. It's a long-term store of value. So we are going to get into that in the presentation. Okay, they are not selling their cryptocurrency. And when Bitcoin corrects, when we get the correction, they are not going to be selling their Bitcoin. It will be accumulating. And so we need to make sure we know what we're doing in this crypto market. JPMorgan is another one that's launching a new way to invest in companies with exposure to cryptocurrency. So they're offering a very different way. It's a structured note that's offering links to the JPMorgan cryptocurrency exposure basket, and it consists of 11 stocks of US listing companies that the bank believes are related or directly or indirectly to the cryptocurrency assets. Okay, so when you hear all this hysterical news about ban, this Bitcoin ban and that ban and this ban, look at what the regulated institutions are doing. They are investing in cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency stocks that are locked, or companies that are linked directly or indirectly to crypto assets. So wake up, our people, wake up. We have to get up and get on board and start with cryptocurrency. So Goldman Sachs says the use of crypto assets is set to explode. And he says that the adoption of digital assets is just getting started. Okay. And he says that the growth of e-commerce amid the COVID pandemic will lead to an explosion in cryptocurrency use. And that is what we are seeing. We are seeing an explosion, a mass adoption at a meteoric rate. Okay. And that has caused Bitcoin to break all new time highs. Okay. So it's now, it is on its way to $70,000. We do know that this is going to happen if we look at the chart analysis. And so looking at the chart, we can see that now it's hit the $60,000 mark. It could pave the way for $70,000 gains. And this chart that we're looking at here is a 4-hour chart, and it shows Bitcoin almost breaking above the ascending parallel channel. And the higher support, it refers to hopefully 59,000 will now become a higher support level, and it will secure the uptrend through to $70,000. And action past this crucial level would trigger massive gains as the fear of missing out hits investors. So this week is going to be very interesting because we just hit $60,000. Everyone that wasn't paying attention, they're going to be paying attention now, because last week it was $50,000. When is it all going to stop? And so they will, we will see a number of people coming in to this market in a massive influx way. Okay, and so that's the review for this week. Let's look at, that's the review of the news. Let's look at the cryptocurrency, because yes, we are celebrating the $1.8 trillion market capitalization of cryptocurrency. $1.8 trillion. That's how much the market of the crypto assets combined is worth right now. Okay, that's huge. And when we look at Bitcoin, let me just switch off my camera for this bit. When we look at Bitcoin, we can see it's retraced after hitting that 60K. And I believe right now it's just hovering above the $60,000 level. If we take a closer look at the chart, if we zoom in or zoom out rather, we can see, if we're looking at this analysis chart with it's called a Fibonacci retracement, and we're looking at Bitcoin topping out around the $90,000 mark, $96,000 mark at the top here. We're currently at here at the $60,000 at the 2.618 Fibonacci level. We're waiting for it to firmly break through and do a bit of fluctuation before heading off to the next levels. Okay, and we can see that first of all, when it broke through the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, it did peak and then it crashed back down immediately and then back up. And so now it's on its way through to the next support level, the next resistance level. So we're hoping that 60K is going to be a support level for Bitcoin in the near term. We are ready for the correction. We are in a bull run. A bull run means that the markets are bullish and we're going up. Okay, and so we're also looking at Ethereum. Ethereum right now is hovering around the 1,852 mark. It did breach $1,900. It just was a mere, if you look at where Ethereum started in January, we were down here at $700, $800, and then all of a sudden it's gained over $1,000. I mean, the percentage increase alone is retirement stuff. And so when you look at Tron is another one we're looking at, and the reason why we're looking at certain cryptocurrencies is because they have their own blockchain. They're not crypto, they're not tokens, they're cryptocurrencies, and Tron is one of them. And they have Tron is also looking a lot like Ethereum. Okay, so we're looking for it to bounce off the 100% Fibonacci retracement level before going onwards and upwards towards the 10 cents level. It's currently 5 cents. Tron is 5 cents. So, the scope for all of these cryptocurrencies, there's still an opportunity. Now, I traditionally have not been a fan of XRP, but they do have a huge following. So you have to take any cryptocurrency with a large community seriously. And as we can see here, it's not quite reflecting what Ethereum is doing or Tron, but it is still in there. It's still, we should actually expect it to hit that 0.38 for the Fibonacci retracement level here before bouncing up. Hopefully, it could even go all the way back down to 24 cents, which would be the next support level. Okay, so it may revisit this level here before going all the way up to the 75, the elusive 75 cent mark, which we hope that XRP will then stabilize and form some kind of support, new support level around the 75 cent mark. And so that is the London Crypto Network Lockdown Sunday newsflash. Okay, and so with that, if you're watching this video on the recording on the YouTube channel, we are here every Sunday 4 o'clock. Every Sunday 4 o'clock, we teach people who are new to the cryptocurrency space how to get started. You are our guest today will be getting started during the webinar. We give free cryptocurrency on this webinar. We show you how to get it on this webinar. So on that note, I look forward to seeing you all next Sunday. We're going to get into the nitty-gritty with all the freebies. And so I will stop recording at this point. Thank you.